Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode in the Notion website or application. So the first thing that I want you to do is to connect to your Notion web portal, or you can just open your Notion desktop client and follow these simple steps. So basically, to have or to enable our dark mode here in the Notion application, we need to go to settings. So here in your workspace or this navigation tab, you will search for, let's go again, you will search for settings in the member. Here we will need to go to our application or Notion settings. So basically, there is another option here in our menu. There is the settings, and there is my notifications and settings. We are interested in this one, and here we will need to search for the settings of the display mode, or for the appearance of our Notion application. So as you can see here in the middle section, or the second one, there is the appearance. All you need to do is to click on this dark option and go for click on dark, or you can have just the light mode. Also, there is another alternative solution is by using a shortcut. All you can do is simply click on Control, Shift and L, and you will have your dark mode enabled or disabled, depends on your preferences. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.